So this is a factory 5 GTM Supercar. This is a kit car that you can buy and take home and hand build, and I've never seen one of these in person, so I figured we'd do just a quick walk around. And it is crazy low in comparison. Like there's a Mustang there, and it's at least like a good 8 inches lower. And if you look at the height of it, it comes up to about my hip. Madison's gonna give us a shop tour and show us around a couple different cars.
This is a R35 Nissan GTR. This is a VR38 DETT. It has super dark tint. And this is a factory 5 GM Supercar.
But I love the body lines of this thing. I see a lot of design language, and I think it was kind of inspired the Ford original GT40, the one from like the 50s. But I like how clean the lines are of the body. It's just a beautiful car. Wow. And when you come back to the engine compartment, what's really cool with this is it's powered by a 3-rotary Mazda. So that is awesome, and it's has a big turbo kit on it. Here's the cooling system over on this side. Got your transmission engine mount. How the exhaust comes out. You got your transmission, all your CV axle drive lines. You got the single exhaust tip over here. Pretty freaking awesome. This thing's getting a full PPF wrap to keep it all protected. Look at the interior. It's crazy. Look at the inside of this this foot pedal box and how incredibly low this thing is. It's got to be a blast. Look at the body lines of that carbon lip. Air inlet to the back there. Big brakes. Get all your radiator fans and cooling up front. So the reason we're here visiting Clear Choice Designs today is to get my daughter Madison's windows tinted on her 2020 Mazda 6. So we're here picking out all the film, and she's gonna be nice and cool and looking good in her car thanks to Clear Choice Designs for getting this all set up today. So you can see that they do exotic wraps, they do exotic PPFs on hypercars, supercars, exotic cars, or you can just bring a casual daily driver like our Mazda 6 and they can do windshield tint, window tint, and help keep you guys cool and comfortable. Come check them out. Clear Choice Designs. And one of my favorite things to do while I wait is to take a peek around the shop and just drool at all the awesome cars that are here. So much fun. To do a windshield takes multiple people.
Down here, every car has to be fitted. Yeah.
Maddie, what do you think?
It looks very good.
Wow, that looks so much better. It looks awesome. Look at this visor. That sun strip is so cool. Tell me what you think.
It looks really good.
What's your favorite part?
The visor.
You like the visor? Yeah, that's my favorite thing. And then wait till you feel the heat that doesn't come in from the windshield. It's gonna be awesome.
my Mazda 6 and I love my new window tint.
So I'm just doing a quick inspection inside the car, and it is pretty freaking awesome.
It looks so good.
Doesn't it look good?
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Yeah, look at the visor. The visor for the sun up there
Really
is so
good.
cool, and then having that windshield tint.
It looks
You're
so
gonna love
good.
it.
I love it.
Well, I'm headed off to work and then going to meet up with my son for a night out on the town. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, a little bit of something different, but I wanted to throw this video together just for fun. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Stay tuned.